In this episode of 20 Minutes Dinner, we are making this tender and delicious chicken and pepper stir fry. Let's get started. I'll be using this boneless and skinless chicken breast. Cut them into strips, however thick you want them. Set that aside as we prepare the seasoning. To a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, salt to taste, and lemon pepper. Mix that until they are all well combined. Drizzle some vegetable oil on the chicken strip. Rub that in until they are well coated. This will help the seasoning to stick on the meat. Add the seasoning to the chicken. Rub it in until all the chicken is well coated. That looks good. Set aside a little seasoning for the peppers. Set aside the chicken as we prepare the veggies. I'll be using these green, red, yellow and orange bell peppers and a red onion. Cut the bell peppers into thin strips. You don't have to use all these pepper colors. You can use the ones you have. Set them aside. Half the red onion and cut it into thin slices. Now that the veggies are ready, let's head to the stove top. Set a pan over medium heat and add the chicken strips. Make sure they are all on the pan and not lying on each other. This will ensure that the chicken will cook evenly. Let that cook for about 4 to 5 minutes depending on the thickness of your chicken. Flip and let the other side cook until they are well done. Add some unsalted butter and let it melt into the chicken. Mix that in. Create a well at the middle of the pan and add the onions. Mix that in and let them cook. Add a few cloves of minced garlic and mix that in. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and mix it in. I make the broth by dissolving 1 chicken cube in some hot water. Let that simmer for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the bell peppers. Sprinkle the seasoning with salt and mix that in. Let that cook for a minute or 2. The longer you cook, the less crunchy the peppers will be. I like my peppers a little crunchy, so I'll cook them for just 1 minute. Finish that up with some freshly squeezed lemon juice and it's perfect. If you don't have the lemon juice, you can use some lime juice or any vinegar that you have. I had this juicy chicken stir fry with some white rice and an avocado. It's so delicious and easy to make. Check out my beef stir fry recipe. You will love it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you on the next one. Bye.